Hello guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and edit markers in DaVinci Resolve. So it's basically a pretty much simple step. Just tap the import button. Now select the video of your choice that you're going to be editing and tap open. Okay, so after that, basically drag this video, then you drop it in the time frame. Alright, so now move this one in the midpoint. Now come to video section, increase the scale a bit. Now scroll down a bit. Okay, so scroll down until you reach opticity. So on opticity, basically reduce it up to 50%. Okay, so 50% is right there. Okay, now scroll down and tap on apply to all until you see apply to all. So basically at that point you're good to go. You can even save your video from here and you find it in your device. Alright, so thank you for watching. Until next time, we shall meet.